How to manage retweets notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage retweets notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and go down and you will find this one, settings and privacy, and then you will see notifications. Click on it and then click here, preferences, and then click this one, push notifications, and as you see now you will find this one here, retweets, and just click on it and you can change it to anything you want, or you can turn it off if you want. And that's how manage retweets notifications on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.